Here's some of the stories trending this week at NASA. NASA wrapped up its second Underway Recovery Test August 4th with the Orion spacecraft off the coast of San Diego, California. The agency teamed with Lockheed Martin, the U.S. Navy, and the Department of Defense's Human Spaceflight Support Detachment 3 to evaluate primary and alternative methods to recover Orion after the spacecraft safely splashes down in the ocean at the conclusion of future deep space missions. Orion's first spaceflight test with splashdown in the Pacific Ocean is targeted for December. During an August 8th news briefing at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, NASA released new video from last month's low-density Supersonic Decelerator test in Hawaii and discussed early results of the test. The successful cross-cutting demonstration of the LDSD project's saucer-shaped test vehicle was designed to evaluate technologies for safely landing larger and heavier payloads on the surface of Mars and other planets with atmospheres.
Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars.
August 5th Pacific Time was the 2-year anniversary of the Curiosity rover's landing on Mars after surviving the dreaded 7 minutes of terror descent to the Martian surface. To help mark the occasion, a book release of Mars Up Close at National Geographic in Washington, D.C. included a panel discussion with author Mark Kaufman and several NASA representatives. Curiosity continues to explore Mars, but it's met its major objective of finding evidence of a past environment that could have supported microbial life. On August 4th, NASA Administrator Charlie Bolden visited the Naval Research Laboratory in Washington to view the Magnetospheric Multiscale Spacecraft, or MMS, following the observatory's final thermal vacuum test at the lab. Targeted to launch in 2015, MMS is a quartet of spacecraft that will investigate a mysterious process known as magnetic reconnection, during which magnetic fields around Earth connect and disconnect, explosively releasing energy. The mission also will provide the first three-dimensional views of this fundamental process that occurs throughout our universe. During an August 5th flight aboard an aircraft equipped with NASA remote sensing technology previously developed for Mars exploration, engineers from Glenn Research Center imaged western Lake Erie to learn more about the algal bloom that contaminated water supplies in parts of Ohio and Michigan recently. NASA and NOAA satellite imagery currently is used to identify, monitor, and map potentially harmful algal blooms, but can be obscured by weather. Airborne remote sensing makes monitoring possible during cloud cover and in parts of the world where satellite imagery is not available. The same day as the algal bloom flight, results of more than 30 projects were presented by young Earth science professionals at the annual Develop Earth Science Applications Summer Showcase at NASA headquarters. The projects were designed to demonstrate innovative and practical applications of NASA Earth observations to community concerns around the globe, addressing a wide range of environmental and public policy issues. The Develop program bridges the gap between NASA Earth science and society, enabling participants and partner organizations to better handle the challenges facing society today and in the future. Administrator Bolden was at Goddard Space Flight Center recently to announce with Small Business Administrator Maria Contreras-Sweet and U.S. Senator Ben Cardin, a member of the Senate Small Business and Entrepreneurship Committee, the 2013 Small Business Federal Procurement Scorecard. NASA received an A, up from a C 3 years earlier. NASA's Office of Small Business Programs helps develop small businesses in high-tech areas, including technology transfer and commercialization of technology. And that's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on social media and visit www.nasa.gov/twan.